So today's kind of a bittersweet day. As you can see behind me is my, I believe it's a 32 or 33 foot camper, and we are selling it. Even though this might seem like kind of a random video, I wanted to show you guys just some of the things we had done to it. And the reason why we hadn't filmed what we did is because when we got it about, I want to say 2 years or so ago, it was kind of on a whim, and we did all the renovations so fast that I just didn't have enough time to film anything. And surprise at the end of the video, so stick around. So when we got this thing, if I'm being 100% honest, it was kind of rough. Like, it definitely needed just a general cleaning, but you know, you see people, they like to paint the walls and just really do it up. And that was kind of our intention originally. And then we found out that like we only used it once or twice a year, which even when we did, I mean, it was great. But we essentially focused on the most important things. Right before I moved into my current home, and you have to excuse me, I'm almost over a cold. We redid my kitchen, and I had a piece of laminate left over, so I used that on the dining room table, re-laminated this, and it's kind of got like a marble look. It's really nice. So that was kind of a fun project. Martina redid all of the cushions. I think it's all new foam, all new sewing, you know, all new material. So it's very nice. Right over here off camera, there was a couch that was like kind of built in. So we completely gutted that, threw it out. We bought a new love seat for in here. We got these pieces of kind of rollout laminate, and yes, we did glue them. We stapled the edges, but we rolled them out, cut them to size. I did all of the quarter round trim, which is cool. And this goes from the front all the way back till the carpet in the bedroom. Yeah, it's simple, but it got the job done and it was cheap. So let's check out the carpet in the main area. So this love seat is brand new, pretty much. And this carpet was actually one big long piece of carpet, and we cut it into two places, and you can't even tell where the seam is. We did such a good job. But it's only about, I don't know, maybe 4 feet deep from here back to the back of the pop out or the bump out. It's the front edge, so you know, it won't fray or anything like that. And I mean, just putting nice new fresh carpet just made it so much better. So that was another fun project I did with my father-in-law. And let me show you the bathroom and the bedroom. We did some stuff under the sink, under the shower. Let me think, what else did we do? We replaced some of the fans. Just again, like the most essential stuff, because we knew, one, we had to do it really fast, and two, we didn't really know how often we would use it. For the few times we went out, it worked well enough for us. So, all right, let's check out the bedroom. So of course, one of the necessities when it came to the bedroom was to replace the bed. And if I recall, the bed frame was kind of jacked up. So there were some other things we had to fix underneath the bed, as well as the carpet in here and out there was kind of rough. We bought a separate piece of carpet as well for in here, and we redid it. It goes to this wall and it goes underneath the bed. And again, reupholstered the chair seat. Just, you know, all the simple stuff. We replaced the majority of the blinds. And yeah, just an overall like deep cleaning. So hopefully this gives you a basic overview of what we went through with this trailer. But if you stuck around till now, let's talk about that surprise. Again, it's gonna be a little bittersweet to watch it go, but we do have some really exciting news. Let me turn the camera around, check this out. We bought a pop-up, yeah. This is actually the first I'm seeing of it. That actually kind of hurt. This is actually the first I'm seeing it. I just got home from work, but I am going to have a mini series focused on flipping this thing. I don't know how much I'll do to the outside, but I know the inside flooring needs to be redone, cushions need to be redone. I'm sure there's other little touches we'll do on the inside, and just upgrades and stuff that we'll do because this is about a 20-year-old pop-up. It's kind of a side story. We've been talking about getting one of these literally for years. And as awesome as this trailer has been, this camper, it's just so big. I can't really truly show you or, you know, whatever, how like excited we are for this. So, and the cool thing is like we couldn't pull that with our van. We can pull this with our van. So it opens up so many opportunities. But if you're interested in seeing the future series on this, I'm sure it'll be a couple videos. Please consider subscribing and liking. And thank you so much for sticking around till the end of this video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.